Hi there, my name is Daniel Alba. I'm the band director at Hosser Middle School. And in this video, I am going to show you how to assemble your trumpet and how to hold it correctly. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you wanna make sure that your instrument's on the floor and you see the logo, mine's Yamaha, right there with the handle facing you. This is the proper way to avoid any accidents when you open up your case, okay? So from here, I'm gonna pop open both latches or a zipper if you have, yours has a zipper. Most of them have latches. Open it and it's gonna reveal the trumpet. Very pretty. Okay, so inside your case, you're gonna have your trumpet, some mouthpieces over here, and some supplies. Right now we're just focusing on assembling the trumpet. It's very, very easy. It's the fastest instrument to assemble. So for this particular model, my Yamaha in this case, what I like to do is I like to pick it up from here. Go ahead and flip it over or spin it. And then I hold it with my ring, with my middle finger. I like putting my middle finger in this ring right here. Then I place my thumb underneath this little knob right here. Okay. Some kids like to put it here. I like placing it here before I go to playing position. Then with my other hand, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the mouthpiece. Now from here, you want to go ahead and place your mouthpiece carefully inside the mouthpiece receiver. Give it a small twist. Please, please do not do this very hard. Lightly is okay, I guess. But also you don't want to do a big twist because it just gets stuck. And let me show you what happens when it gets stuck. If it's stuck and you're not able to get it out with the proper tools, I can't close my case, which is a problem. Especially if I want to transfer my instrument correctly, safely, and correctly. Yeah, so be careful when you do that. And that's it. Your trumpet's assembled, ready to go. I'm going to show you how to where to place your fingers and how to hold it and sit in this next clip.